It's really hot, okay? Literally, what is happening? It's like Jello.
Welcome to Ro and Joe. You have to say it too. The cooking show.
Welcome back to Ro and Joe Cooking Show.
Season 1, episode 2.
Last week we made Japanese noodles. So we asked you guys what we should make this week, and in our comment section below at Reassembi. Wait, how should we say that?
What do you mean?
At Reassembi told us to make boba tea, and at Mega Gotcha commented, you guys should make mochi. So that's what we're making this week, mochi and boba tea. So for our ingredients, what do we need, Josie?
You need sweetened red bean paste. We got 2 cans, which is a lot. Just in case, you never know. Matcha green tea powder. We found one for $15, and that's no.
Shira tamako, it's sweet rice flour. And for boba tea,
Any kind of tea. We got milk tea and tapioca pearls. Yeah. The red bean paste before you actually start making it. Cover it with tinfoil and put it in the freezer for at least 3 hours.
oh, it's heavy.
Significant time has passed. We're getting the mochi. Here she is. Yummy.
But the red bean paste is done. You need to get a microwavable bowl. We need 2 teaspoons of the green tea powder. And I have a half teaspoon, so I'm gonna do it 4 times.
I want to smell it.
And then once we're done that, we're gonna take 2 cups of the sweet flour. I'm gonna do this near the sink, so I don't want to get messy here.
That's a lot. Mix thoroughly. 1/4 cup of white sugar, not brown sugar, and 1 cup of water. Sugar water. Next step. Once you have what looks like
green pea soup,
put it in the microwave for
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
stir and then heat for another 15 seconds. Why are we? What happened to it? It's like something is wrong. No, it's really hot. Okay. What is happening? It's like Jello.
Okay, we put it in the microwave for too long, so we're gonna try again. When we made the mix, we doubled everything else except the water. Why? It's drier than the Sahara Desert right now.
Yeah.
But we're going to try again. What do I do with this?
Yes. Oh my god.
Use the same bowl. Number 2.
We're doing it for 2 minutes this time and we're gonna check it.
So now we're just mixing the batch. Right now, I'm flattening out a ball of the mochi mix, and we're gonna put bean paste on the inside and then wrap it up. Here is the finished look. They're not perfect. These are our mess ups. These are the finished ones. Once you are finished making your mochi balls, you're gonna put them in the refrigerator and let them sit. Once your mochi has been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, you can move them down to the freezer for further chilling.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours, take the mochi balls out. Freezer.
We're gonna start on the boba tea now. You need 2 cups of water for every 1/4 cup of these tapioca pearls. I'm doing this so far away. Once it's to a boil, you put the pearls in and then boil it for 12 to 15 minutes. Are we just done once they're floating? This recipe is really hard, guys. We weren't ready for this. We're gonna let it sit for 12 minutes.
Oh, there's the timer. Once the boba pearls are done, take it off the heat and let them sit for another 12 minutes so they can soak up all the juices.
Yes!
Add 1/2 cup of water and boil it. You can do it in the microwave, which I'm gonna do. And once it's done boiling, add
Sugar. A little bit.
Once you got your boiling water, you're gonna add a 1/2 cup of sugar to make a sugar paste.
Sugar syrup.
I'm gonna set this aside to cool.
After 12 minutes of them sitting in here, strain the boba beans and put them in your sugar water mixture. Oh my god, they're like clear.
Oh my god, they're like Orbeez.
Ew. Now we're boiling more water for tea. Boil it and then add however many bags of tea as you want. We're gonna strain the tapioca pearls. And now, let's get our glasses.
Our glasses.
Time to pour the tea.
That's the tea.
So now we have our mochi.
And our tea.
So I want to try the mochi first. Okay, you want to share one?
Yeah.
Let's go, you try first. Is it bad? I don't want it.
Not good. Why is it so bad? We spent so long. Guys, where did we go wrong? Look at this. Here's what the inside looks like. That took from 11 to 3 a.m. We can't even eat them.
I'm trying this. Ready?
Cheers. The tea itself is really good.
How do we get the little ball thingies?
Put like one in. It's on my chin. I guess I'll just eat it.
It's supposed to be like this?
Mm-hmm. It's so good. In conclusion, the only good thing is the tea.
I'm so sad.
Thanks for watching the Ro and Joe Cooking Show, episode 2. If you liked this adventure,
Don't make this. Just don't. Just.
hit the like button, follow our Instagram. We're gonna do a giveaway.
One of the lucky commenters can win this gigantic ball. We'll send it to you personally.
Leave a comment below on what we should make next.
See you next time.
Welcome to Ro and Joe. You have to say it too. The cooking show.